Hello everyone, myself Ganavi, studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today's topic is about stack operations. Introduction to stack operations. The stack operations are the fundamental in computer science and data structures. A stack is a linear data structure that follows the last in first out principle. The main operation on stacks are push, pop, and peek. Push operation. The push operation adds an element to the top of the stack. It increases the stack size by 1 and updates the top pointer. The time complexity of push operation is 0. Pop operation. The pop operation removes the top element from the stack. It decreases the stack size by 1 and updates the top pointer. The time complexity of the pop operation is 0. Stack overflow. The stack overflow occurs when we try to push an element into a full stack. This happens when the stack size exceeds its predefined maximum capacity. It is essential to handle stack overflow to prevent the program crashes. Stack underflow. Stack underflow occurs when we try to pop an element from an empty stack. This happens when the stack is already empty and we cannot remove any element. It is important to handle stack underflow to avoid accessing invalid memory. Implementation of stack. Stack can be implemented using array or linked list. An array implementation uses a fixed size of array to store stack elements. The linked list implementation uses nodes connected to each other to store stack elements. Advantages of array implementation. Array implementation of stack is simple and easy to understand. It also provides constant time access to stack elements. It is memory efficient and it only uses the required amount of memory. At disadvantages of array implementation. The size of stack is fixed in array implementation. The array implementation may lead to stack overflow in the size limit is reached. If requires shifting of elements when the stack size changes. Advantages of linked list implementation. The linked list implementation allows dynamic resizing of stack. It does not have any size limit and can grow dynamically. Linked list implementation does not require shifting of elements. Disadvantages of linked list implementation. The list implementation requires more memory compared to array implementation. It may have slower access time compared to array implementation. It involves dynamic memory allocation and deallocation. Application of stack operations. The stack operations are widely used in programming language for function calls. They are also used for expression evaluation and syntax paraphrasing. Stack operations are also used in undo redo mechanism and backtracking algorithms. Example for infix to postfix conversion. Infix to postfix conversion utilizes stack operation. It converts an infix expression to postfix notation using a stack. The stack operations like push, pop, and peek are essential in this algorithm. Balanced parentheses. The stack operation can be used to check whether parentheses are balanced in an expression. We can push operation we can push opening parentheses onto the stack and pop them when closing parentheses are encountered. If the stack is empty after processing the expression, it means the parentheses are balanced. Example of depth first search. Depth first search is a graph traversal algorithm that uses stack operations. It explores a graph by visiting vertices and pushing them onto the stack. The stack allows the algorithm to backtrack and explore deeper into the graph. Summary. The stack operations are fundamental in computer science and data structures. Push, pop, and peek are the main operations on a stack. Stack operation can be implemented using array or linked list. The stack overflow occurs when pushing into a full stack while stack underflow occurs when popping from an empty stack. Array implementation offers simplicity and constant time access, while linked list implementation allows dynamic resizing. Stack operations have various applications, including function calls, expression evaluation, and graph algorithms. Thank you.